Fanciful here. Welcome back to another episode from the Instructables website. Today, we're building the oddest fowl that could ever have left the aviary. It's a tinfoil bird. First, get yourself a roll of tinfoil, a Sharpie, some toothpicks. That's it. Nothing more. Let's get started. Grab yourself a good piece of tinfoil and shape it into a bird. I can't give you any more direction than that. If you don't know what a bird looks like, look it up. Trim the tail if you need to, but make sure that it's not too short, because if it's too short, you can't add length to it and you'll have to start over. Next, stick some toothpicks into the belly of the beast, bird, and wrap them in tinfoil. Next, we're going to make him a perch and give him a name, but it has to be a birdie name. Ooh, Twinkie. Twinkie the bird. Yeah, Twinkie. Now, waste some more tinfoil. Get some more tinfoil and shape it into a nest. Once your nest is complete, stick the toothpicks down into the side of the nest. Make sure you place him in a place where he can attract the ladies. Twinkie, no! Don't fall for it! Thanks so much for watching. Check back soon for another episode from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me? Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.